Passover triggers cleaning. In Jewish tradition, spring cleaning is linked to the Passover, and this year it falls on April the 12th. So before the Passover, Jewish homes are thoroughly cleansed and cleaned to remove any leavened bread. This is done as a remembrance of the survival on unleavened bread in the wilderness. But did you know April is also the number one month that people clean their homes in general? Historically, cleaning homes became popular in America and Europe in early spring because the beginning of warmer weather allowed the opening of windows, which released fresh air and sunshine. Which brings me to the subject of today's nugget, spring cleaning. And I'll be right back after this short video of our upcoming Hawaii Leaders Summit. Spring cleaning. Spring is a great time to clean homes. However, this action might also apply to businesses. In the marketplace, changes are taking place so quickly. What was on the cutting edge a short time ago might now be considered a has been. Obsolescence of products, services, and even marketing messages is a constant challenge for a leader. I got fresh insight into this concept when flying back from doing some meetings in Florida. I read an article by a renowned corporate CEO coach, and he made the following statement. Every 3 years or so, an organization should challenge every product, every service, every policy, and every distribution channel with one question. If I were not already doing this, would it be something that we would start doing now? As I thought about what he stated, I realized the importance of asking that question because it forces us to evaluate are what we're offering to our customers or our members, is that still products and services they really desire? And then the importance of taking action on this, it could be significant. Because see, if you allow your products or your methods of marketing to become obsolete, you will lose market share. And in addition, you might not have the resources or the people needed to take advantage of new opportunities. Author Sharon Alder says, there comes times when you have to choose to turn to a new page or to close the book and write another one. This question is one reason we decided that for 2025 to change the structure of our Hawaii conference. This year, it will be held at a luxury resort. And in addition, we're going to focus more on idea exchanging and empowering leaders. Jesus taught on this concept. In John 15, he stated, every branch that beareth not fruit, he taketh away, so that the vine can bring forth more fruit. So, in conclusion, I would encourage you don't let this spring cleaning season pass you by. Ask yourself if you have branches that once were productive that should now be pruned, cut, or refreshed. God bless you. Go with increase.